Hey, well, today's video is going to be a short one. At least that's our intention. So what's the video going to be about? Well, it's going to be about this. Check that out. Our screen door is a free spirit. Now, for those of you who do not know how a RV screen door is supposed to work, there's a catch right here on the main door, okay? When you close the door, the screen door, it's supposed to latch to it. That way there, they work as a unit. But let's just say that you want to have fresh air coming in and hear all those nice campground sounds of nature and that coming in through your door, and you just want the screen door, okay? Like that, all right? There is a catch right here also on the side. And the way it works, when you close it, it locks into it, see? That way there, air's coming in and everything like that. So, the problem with ours though, when you do this, it's supposed to spring back, but as you can see, ours doesn't. It's broken. So obviously, it needs to be replaced. Or does it? Now, the easiest way to fix this problem is just bring it to an RV repair shop or to the dealer, and they will fix it for you. Unfortunately, that's also the most expensive way to fix this. The next step would be to just replace the handle. You can order this handle. We have a link in the description box down below. Take these two screws out. When the new one comes in, take just this unit, line it up so that it will work there and on the door, and put the two screws in. You're good to go. But Cheryl and I have a mindset that if it's already broken, why not just take it apart and see what makes it tick? So that's what we're going to do now. The first step, I'm just going to take these two screws out. Now once I take this off, the latch itself is made up of 4 pieces, and let's take this off and show you what they are. Now once you have the handle off, the way you disassemble it is there is a top half and a bottom half. They will come apart. You may have to use a flathead screwdriver to entice it a little bit, but just don't do it too much. You can see there are 2 pins that fit into the 2 holes on the corresponding side. Now as far as the handle itself goes, you can see the handle. The center there is our spring, and it's broken. How do we know that? Well, there should be an arm coming off of the spring going into where we highlighted in gold, and it's not there. So, well, we were researching, we found out that for half the price of a new handle, we could change the spring. And I know you're thinking, really, just the spring? Well, hun, tell them why it's a better deal.
We can change the spring 10 times for half the price of the handle.
So now, in order to change it, what we do, you should have safety glasses on just in case there is any tension left in your spring or when you're putting the new spring on. I just put a finger over it, pull it up, drop the old one out, put the handle back on. We found the easiest way to put these on, mind you now, they have a 90-degree angle at the end of the arm. And as you can see, this one here, it's gone. So the arm goes with the point down into the slot, which means they mount this way, okay? We found the easiest way to put it on was needle nose. I'm trying to work with the camera here, so pull it up and work it in, and then just use your finger to set it flush, okay? See, now it works. Then you just take the top and you put it back on. There's 1 or 2 ways to put this on, the right way and the wrong way. If you put it on this way, where is it? That's the wrong way, as you can see. It should make a perfect rectangle, just like that, and it works. All right, let's put this on the door and call this job done. All right, now as far as putting it back on, if you bought a brand new handle, you'll need to take this adhesive strip off because the new one should have it on it. But all I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put it right back into the original holes. Trying to work around the camera.
I'm trying to stay out of the way.
One of the nice things about using the original handle is you'll know exactly where the screws were. So you can put it right back and you know everything's gonna fit perfectly. Well, in theory. Okay. And now that it's mounted, it works.
Yay!
It releases, come over to the door. It locks on the door. So now when I close the door and open it, there's no free flying screen. So it's that simple. And again, we'll have links to all this in the description box down below. Now, if you like what you saw, we'd appreciate that thumbs up as always. You want to become part of the Grow and Get Gone with Us gang? Right down there in the corner, just click it and you're in. And after you do that, don't forget to click the bell. You'll be notified every time we put a new video out. If you want to keep up to date with where we are and what we're doing, you can follow us on Facebook or Instagram.
If you have any questions or comments, you can put them right down below, or you could just say hi.
Because we'll say hi back, we always do. Till our next video, I'm Chuck.
And I'm Cheryl.
Well, get gone with us. Bye.
Bye.